Let's go, let's go. Move up. Bridget, clear.
Check the room.
Not in there.
Clear.
Good. Not there.
Check the room. Castro is nowhere in sight. Move through the other way. Check the door.
Clear.
Clear. It's all clear. All clear. We're gonna have to advance outside.
Clear.
Bravo 6.
Living room clear.
We're gonna have to call for an airstrike. Move that way. He might be out here. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Let's go. We got Castro on the other side of the field. I think I spotted him.
This thing's gonna be even harder with
Got weapons. Let's move out. We have no weapons. Bare ass. Let's take him. Let's try to go for a choke. Let's go. Let's take this.
There's no man behind.
Go for the melee. Let's go through the water. Castro's gotta be around here somewhere. Shh, shh, shh. Go, go, go. No weaponry. Let's search. Clear over here. Clear. Clear. Move out. Move out. Come on, retreat, retreat. Backyard clear. Nowhere in sight. Let me take some frag grenades. I need this. Oh, crap! Where's Will? Dodging bullets. Down. Rebound. I got you covered. I got you covered. Turn around. Just take Will. Come on, come on. Get up. Take him on the chair.
I'll get the back cover.